Hey guys, we got the Nerf Jolt here. It's a perfect gun, right, Kylie? And we're about to have the first Jolt war. You'll see some other guns, type things. We'll start shooting. We'll break a bone today. We'll break a bone, gentlemen.
Yeah,
gentlemen. Okay. You don't know how to do that, do you? You know.
Oh, my gun. This is the Nerf Jolt strike.
It's zombie strike. You make zero English. Okay, let's get into the reviews. And what we're gonna take, let's see. We're gonna see in case we can start the Nerf Jolt fight. Okay, so just enjoy and have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Okay, ready? In a count of 3. Okay, you'll take some ammo. You take these darts. Okay?
Wait, this one broke.
No, it didn't. I don't use it anymore. No, it didn't. Oh, yeah. Okay, take these ammo and this ammo, okay? Wait, why am I using your gun? Okay. You have that. You have a rocket dart. Okay, ready? We're going to go in 3. Okay? Okay, we start on backs, forward. You know my back. Come on, get on my back. You're on that side, I'm on this. No. Exactly. Once they go, we take 10 paces, and when I say shoot, we shoot, okay? Okay? You take 10 steps. Okay, ready?
What do I do?
We're going to shoot. Okay, fine. Wrong way. 3, 2. Okay. Okay.
This is the Nerf Jolt.
Kylie, Kylie, don't do that. Kylie? Don't. Oh. Don't do that, I'll shoot you. Sorry. Kylie, now, don't do that. Kylie, listen. Fine, you can do it. But in case you're reloading, there's no timeouts. We're having technical difficulties with this. See this? Nerds. You don't put them on here, boys. You don't. Look at her. She is a nerd. A nerd doing this. Going like, oh, hey, let's ready to nerf. I'm gonna put my bullets in a position that you can even reload it.
I'm not.
Let's prove it. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. I fired a warning shot. Reload.
Reload.
This is Harry Winkler. Oh my gosh. Trouble reloading with this thing.
Ow.
Yes. Woo! That is round 1, ladies and gentlemen. You see, the point is, the Jolt is kind of accurate when you point it near, okay, you don't have to get close. When you point it near right here, Kylie, stand up. Point it right here, it'll eventually get there, right? Right there. Are you okay? Final kiss it. You're so weird. Okay, so that is the review of Nerf Jolt. Me and Kylie will officially get ready. We'll grab our guns in. We're going to have a sick Nerf war real quick.
Yeah.
Because we don't have that much time, so we take whatever we can, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? We're going to start with our Nerf Jolts. And then we'll start with our second weapons, okay? Okay? We're going to go pick. Come on, Kylie, let's go pick. Okay, what should I pick?
What did I pick?
And we are back.
Yeah, we're back.
And we're going to have a 1v1 strike only. Okay, Kylie has a Nerf, I guess, sword. I have a crosscut, of course. And it's actually, the good thing about it is, we each have like a gun to shoot with.
Yeah.
And this is all the ammo we can get, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take our places, gentlemen. And we're going to start on that side. Okay. Swishing around town. Okay?
What's around town?
Swim around town. Okay, we are back on the other side of the Atlantic Ocean, and let's go. Okay? Grab your guns. Let's do this.
Hello?
Don't do that. You're just so silly, Kylie. Okay. Okay, Kylie. Kylie, get in your stations. Come on. Okay?
Where's my station?
Right there. Oh, dude, you are like messing up this Nerf floor. This is a nerd, guys. This is a nerd. Take 10 steps back.
I'm nerd.
Kylie, get back now. Now. Get back. Now. Now. Okay. 3, 2,
And again.
1,
Yeah.
go. What are you gonna start with? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh, you're gonna start with your jolt. Jolt fight. Oh my Jesus! Make sure 2 elites. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Kylie, are you gonna use your sword or something? You're just using your jolt. Out of ammo! You don't copy me. That's not cool.
I'm not on Nemo.
That's it. The final kill streak, boys. Final kill streak. Watch and learn.
Ow!
Going in for the stabs. At this moment, Matt's realized he's about to mess up. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in.
Yay!
You're whispering to me when I'm dead? You're whispering to me when you just lost. Wow. Psych! That's our first video where Kylie's screaming and can you move? Wow. Can you just move this? Okay, that is a good episode of the Nerf War. Jolt fight for Sister. And a conclusion of having this Nerf War was so we can see how the guns were raised and how they were done. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe.